maybe on the floor.
Well, this is one of the bad ones. Feel like me I got dead.
No say that. You soon get better.
Thank you. Me go get some rest. We talk.
I don't know how much of this I can take in on this scary. Cause that woman there treat me like a shit.
Don't worry yourself. Me have my work out the perfect plan. We have a poisoner. That's why I'm glad she take you back.
Oh, that I go work, Kerry. After she not eat from me, she just have me at work as a slave.
I know you are gonna do it.
Then who then? What that, Kerry?
Give your son this. Tell him to give him granny. And tell him do not take any. Right? Because there's more so he can get.
You think she will take this from me?
She not gonna take it from you. She gonna take it from our grandson. Plus it's sealed.
You sure about this, Miss Kerry?
If me not stop Clarice, she not gonna stop. And if she hurt Robert, me know me gonna charge for her. Just make your son give her this. It not gonna show no trace. It only gonna seek her first.
Alright.
Remember, tell your son don't open it or drink any.
On to your phone.
You drop in the water, you know? That's why I just come over here. Make you know something alright.
You never see me miss call.
Kinda busy still in the period.
No, that my ask you. I ask if you never see me miss call.
Yeah, but me did them on a different call with some clients, you know.
Okay, sir. So you did listen to my voice note?
Tell you the truth, I don't listen to it yet, you know. I never know where I say, so I don't want no more argument.
I just apologize, more to apologize. You know, I said something the other day, and I know right within myself say it not sound good. And you know me would never hurt.
Your sister will try kill me. They tell me say, if I go after her, you would have killed me. You know that son?
I know how it sounds, and that's why I am here to apologize. With all this, get together with you, my brother, my sister. Honestly, I just want this to just done. You know?
So you think me want? That me want to. Because we have a business to run and a daughter to raise.
Correction. We have a business to run and we have a daughter to raise.
Yeah, call me, I call the phone and I get it. Carry I try to call it in.
Well, should I get me now? My put this in ice. Well, you don't miss me?